Hey guys, due to weather keeping the group from meeting up like we normally do, occasional bits of sickness this month, and dealing with not having heat in the house for the time being, that's gonna be fixed really soon. I have been falling behind in the schedule. I normally try to get at least 8 things up on the channel every month. This month, however, has just been kind of really bad. I do have at least 2 things planned to get on here. Maybe 3. But yeah, I'm going to be running a little short and a little behind schedule, so please bear with me. I'll try to make up for it in March as much as I possibly can. But until then, I'm not sounding very enthused. I'm recording this at like about 4 in the morning, so I'm not all that, awake either. So, yeah, bear with me, please, and I do apologize. I hope to see you guys pretty soon later.